So now we have the side feeder set up, just the one, and also we have the sheet feeder set up, and also the envelope set up. So we now turn the machine on. The first thing on the screen we see is setup. So we press the setup button. If we have a feeder on the end, a fast sheet feeder or set collector, we would press that button to select that. If not, like in the case here, we just leave it on other device, press forward. Miss the OMR setup. If we do have OMR and we want to set it up, then obviously you go through the process. On this machine it doesn't have it. We then into the main screen. So we're going to use sheet feeder 1 and sheet feeder number 3. So we press number 1 and we press number 3, and we then go into test mode. It asks us on here, do we wish to set the sensors? In this case, yes we do. If you don't want to, that can be turned off. We want to set the sensors for miss and double detect. So we then go next, and as we see, stations 1 and station 3 are in there on the test. We then press the start button, and in here we see this is flashing. The piece of paper is in here. You then lift up this, and on here we have the double detect. So we twist this here, so we turn it until we get we have a click, and we have ×2 for double detect on the screen. We then turn it clockwise again till the click goes again, and that button is then off, and we give this one more turn, and now it shouldn't detect 2. We then put the lid back down, back to the machine, and we cancel that, and we then press start again. The product is being folded and put on the track, and one of the side feeders is now gone into the machine, as we can see here. So that is halfway through. We then lift this up, and on the side here we can see this is for double detect on this station. So we twist it anti-clockwise till we get the ×2. We then twist it clockwise, the click happens again, and ×2 has now gone out. So back anti-clockwise, ×2, clockwise, one turn till it goes out. Put this back down, and then we cancel that, and we press start again. And that is now our test complete, and double detect sensors set on both stations. If you're on a third station, obviously do the same thing on the third station. So it's now telling us that the test is complete. Do we wish to run another set? And the answer is no, because we're happy with that set. The machine is now ready to run, and we have stations 1 and stations 3 on. Press the button. Okay, so it's now showing us it's ×2, so we haven't turned this enough. So we lift this again into here, and the double detect is to go clockwise at least one more turn. Put it down, reset, and start again. That is now set. If we wish to speed the machine up, out of that screen, and the speed here, much more -1, so we'll go down to 1, so it's now very slow. We can increase the speed to 2, or increase to 3, or 4. highest speed on the machine is 6, sorry. The machine is now stopped as we have station number 3 empty, and on the screen it's telling us that it hasn't taken a product because that is now empty. So we reset, and then we fill up with more product into that feeder, and we then start again.